Ever felt completely alone, even when surrounded by people? Like love is happening to everyone else, but somehow passing you by. Today, I'm going to show you why that feeling is actually your biggest clue to finding the love you deserve. Hi, my name is Lisa. I help people create a healthy and happy life using the law of attraction and the mind body connection. You know, I used to believe that finding true love was like winning the lottery, rare, lucky, and mostly about being in the right place at the right time. But once I upgraded my frequency after learning life coaching, I discovered something beautiful. Healthy relationships aren't accident, they are creations. Here's what most people don't understand about manifesting love. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. Your relationships are mirrors reflecting back your inner world. If you're constantly worried about not being enough, you will attract partners who make you feel that way. And if you're afraid of commitment, you will draw in people who are emotionally unavailable. But here's the beautiful part. When you change your inner world, your outer world transforms too. So, before we talk about romantic love, let's talk about your very first teachers of love, your parents. Think about it. When you were born, you had no idea who you were. You were pure love, but your parents were the first ones to show you what love looks like, feels like, and sounds like. Here's something powerful I learned. When you heal and strengthen your relationship with your parents, you heal your ability to receive love from others. Your parents are your original source of love energy. Even if your relationship with them has been difficult, even if they are no longer with you, reconnecting with that source can transform everything. Try this simple practice. Call your parents, text them, or simply send them the love thoughts twice a day. If your parents have passed away, peek to their photos or write them letters. Tell them you love them. Share something good that happened to you. This isn't about perfect relationship. It's about opening your heart to the original love that created you. So when you honor and love your parent, you are actually learning to honor and love the part of yourself that came from them. This creates a foundation of love so strong that romantic love can build beautifully upon it. So now I will tell you the three pillars of magnetic love. Pillar one, fall in love with yourself first. This isn't about being perfect or having it all figured out. It's about treating yourself like someone you deeply care about. You need to become that caring, protective person for yourself. But here's the key, loving yourself becomes so much easier when you remember you are your parents' child. You carry their love, their hopes, their dreams within you. When you love yourself, you are honoring the love. Start your day by looking in the mirror and saying one thing you appreciate about yourself, not just your looks, but you are as a person. Maybe it's your kindness, your sense of humor, or how hard you try. When you truly value yourself, you teach others how to value you too. Now, pillar two, release control and trust the process. I know this sounds scary, but staying attached to how love should look, when it should arrive, or who it should be actually block it from flowing to you. It's like trying to catch water in your hand. The tighter you squeeze, the more it slips away. Instead of focusing on finding the one, focus on becoming the one. The person you would want to be in a relationship. When you stop desperately searching and start peacefully preparing, you create space will love to find you. Now, pillar 3. Practice love daily. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a skill you can develop. Every day, look for opportunities to give and receive love in small ways. Start with your parents. A simple I love you text can fill your heart and theirs. Then extend that energy, smile at stranger, call someone you care about, help a neighbor, or simply send loving thoughts to people around you. This practice raises your love vibration and makes you naturally magnetic to others who operates from the same energy. Here's a simple practice that works like magic. Every morning, spend just 5 minutes visualizing yourself already in the loving relationship you desire. But first, take a moment to feel grateful for your parents. Love that brought you into this world and made you who you are today. Then visualize your romantic relationship. Don't force on specific faces or focus on how it feels. Feel the safety, the joy, the partnership, deep connection. Imagine your future partner loving your family and your family loving them, just like you experienced that original family love. As you go through your day, carry those feelings with you. Make decision from that place of feeling loved and supported. This isn't pretending. This is preparing your heart to recognize and receive real love when it arrives. Here's what I want you to remember. Somewhere out there is someone who will think you're absolutely perfect exactly as you are. Someone should appreciate your struggle, celebrate your dream, and cherish your family just like you do. They are not a fantasy. They are a real person living their life, preparing to meet you just like you are preparing to meet them. Your job isn't to find them. Your job is to become so full of love, starting with love for yourself and your parents, that when they appear, you recognize each other immediately. So true love isn't rare, it's inevitable for anyone willing to do this inner work. You're worthy of deep, healthy, lasting love. Not someday when you're perfect, but right now, exactly as you are. If this message touched your heart, I would love to hear from you in the comment. And remember, every day you practice loving yourself and honoring your parents is a day you're closer to the love story you are meant to live. Your person is out there. Trust the timing, trust the process, trust your parents' love that leads with us. But most importantly, trust yourself.